Hi, Bill. So nice to see you. Happy Friday, everybody. We have a lot going on this week. I want to start with the fact that after last week's segment, Bitcoin came crashing down over the weekend, falling to the mid $17,000 range. That was the first time the price dropped below the previous cycle high. So that was pretty surprising for some people. Now, it has recovered a bit. It's been chopping along around the $20,000 range. And we've also seen stocks start to recover a bit after a brutal 2 weeks. Some macro strategists that I've been messaging about the markets expect that we might actually be in for a pretty good rally across the board. They're interested in the fact that oil prices and commodities appear to have topped and broken trend, and the 10-year reversed. Bitcoin has been very correlated, so we could see some higher prices, but here's something important. Most of the strategists I've spoken with in both Bitcoin and macro say none of this means that the cycle lows are in. We actually could see a good bear market rally followed by capitulation. So the big question is really inflation. Will the rate hikes have slowed demand enough and slowed the economy enough to drop the counts? And then the Fed could maybe stop being as aggressive or pivot. Or is inflation going to remain sticky despite a recession? And if so, we could see another plunge. And some think that Bitcoin could go even lower than 17,000. But outside the price, we have some other interesting stories that I've been following. ProShares just launched the first short Bitcoin futures ETF, which is designed to allow investors to profit from Bitcoin's price dropping. And the handle will be BITI. The company will own and hold no Bitcoin. And I'm not a fan of this because I think that these short and futures ETFs, they add to an already volatile market. And I don't think that it protects investors. It puts an even bigger spotlight on the fact that we still don't have a spot ETF approved by the SEC, which I think would actually increase adoption by institutions and lead to price discovery. But we are still waiting to see what happens with the SEC and GBTC, which is trading at a very, very heavy discount.